Good morning, children. Here in this video, I will tell you about the figure circle. It is also one of the figure in the two-dimensional plane surface. In the next class, you are going to learn about the parts of the circle and also about finding the circumference and area of the circle, which is very important for you. Before knowing about the perimeter and circumference or about the area of the circle, we should know about the parts of the circle. Here you can see the circle figure. It is having center and radius, diameter, that I will explain you in detail. See, parts of the circle include center. The center point of the entire circle is point O. Okay, here point O is the center. When we are joining the line from the center to the circumference, then what is circumference? The whole figure, the circular structure around the figure, it is called the circumference. The segment which is from center to the circumference, it is called the radius, and the segment which is joining the two point of a circle, okay, from one side to the other side, it is called the diameter. You may have doubt that the point D and E, why not this line will be the diameter? This is not diameter because it is not passing through the center. So then what this will be? It will be called as the chord. Now we can see DFE. DFE. This structure is called the arc, while this one is called the chord, and the chord structure is called the arc of the circle. Then what is sector? An sector is an interior region bounded by a pair of radii and arc on the side. Here OBC is a sector. Here you can see OBC sector, OAC sector. Okay, these are called sectors. Segment. Then what is segment? Segment is an interior region bounded by a chord and an arc. The chord and an arc, the interior region, here it is called as the segment. So this is all about a circle. Now see how to find the circumference of a circle. I hope you all know about the perimeter. Like this, circumference means the whole perimeter that is covered by the figure of the circle. It is called the circumference. Circumference, for finding the circumference of a circle, we have to use the formula 2 pi r, where pi is a constant quantity. Then what is leaving pi? You will get 2r. You know that d equals to 2r from your class 4. That is diameter equals to 2 multiplied by radius. So finding perimeter of a circle or circumference of a circle, the formula is 2 pi r. One of the example here I have given. If a radius of a circle is 4 centimeter, then find its circumference. In the formula you can put the pi, the value of pi is 3.14. 2 into 3.14 multiplied by radius r, that is equal to 4 cm. 25.112 cm will be the circumference of the circle. You have to use this formula. Now see area of a circle. To find the area of a circle, the formula is A equals to pi r square. Here you have to take the pi as the constant quantity having value 3.14. You can see here one example I have given, r equals to 6 cm. Then pi r square. So before finding this, you have to find the r square, means radius square, that equals 6 square equals to 36. Then pi. The value of pi will be 3.14. The answer will be 113.04 centimeter square. Now see, you can find the perimeter of semicircle by dividing the perimeter of circle with 2. Then area of semicircle also same, pi r square by 2. Like this, dividing the area of the circle with 2, you will get the area of the semicircle. So in the summary I have mentioned the formulas. You have to write these formulas. Circumference of a circle 2 pi r, area of circle pi r square, perimeter of semicircle pi r, area of semicircle pi r square by 2.